Good day, dearest learners! Welcome to another learning show on television for Grade 8 Mathematics. I am Teacher Shina from Abaryongan National High School and I will be your learning buddy for this episode. Are you ready? Let's start! At the end of our show, you are expected to illustrate the need of axiomatic structure of a mathematical system in general and in geometry, the undefined terms. For you to accomplish the activities I specially made for you today, you may bring out your modules, activity notebook, and your pen. You may also find the most comfortable place at your home for you to be able to clearly understand our lesson for today. Imagine yourself seeing a clear sky at night. What can you see? Yes, you see stars in different colors and sizes. The sky might look this way. At far, you might probably see stars as tiny dots. And if you connect one star to the others, what can we see? Very good! We can form a line if we connect one star to the other. Now, if you try to connect at least 4 stars, what can we see? You got it! When we connect at least 4 stars forming an enclosure, you see a plane. In this episode, we shall be learning different geometric terms, points, lines, and planes. These terms are accepted as intuitive ideas and are not defined. They are simply described. And those terms came from the undefined terms in geometry, wherein geometry is a branch of mathematics that defines and relates the basic properties and measurements of shapes. And undefined terms is a term or word that doesn't require further explanation or description. Sometimes, it is good to define terms by its example to objects or models. Based from the given examples about the stars, how do you define a point, a line, and a plane? A point is an idea. It has no dimension at all. It can be seen nor touched, but has position or location. Examples are those stars in the sky, as what we have mentioned a while back. The tip of your pen, a corner of your room, and a grain of sand. These examples suggest the idea of a point. That represents a point and can be named by a capital letter beside the dot. And we read that dot A into point A. The next undefined terms is the line, wherein a line is an infinite set of points extending infinitely without end in opposite directions like this. The arrows indicate that it extends indefinitely in both directions. A line is one-dimensional. It has only a length. It is straight but has no width. And a line has its subset like ray and line segment, wherein a ray is a subset of a line that has a fixed starting point but no end point. It can extend infinitely in one direction. In naming a ray, start from its endpoint and then to any point on the ray. For example, ray AP, or simply write AP and put Also, a line segment is a portion or a subset of a line that starts from one point and ends at another point. It has definite length. The 2 points are called endpoints. The line segment is named as segment AB. And last but not the least, among the undefined terms in geometry is the plane. Let's go back to our previous examples of a plane. If we connect the 4 stars, it can form a plane. So how do we define a plane? Plane is a flat surface. It has length and width but no thickness. It is two-dimensional surface that extend infinitely in all directions. It can be named using capital letters or by 3 non-collinear points on the plane or by a Greek alphabet. Let's take a look at this. We name that figure as plane M. Another example of planes are a sheet of paper, a plywood, the floor, and a lot more. This time, let's see whether you understood our discussion. Bring out a clean sheet of paper and take a look into the given pictures. Determine the undefined terms suggested by the given objects. You are given 15 seconds to answer each item. Here's your first object. Your time starts now. What type of undefined term is that? That's right, it's a plane. Your second picture is a mongolsian. Very good. It's a point. How about this picture? It's a plane. Excellent. How about this one? The string of a guitar. You're right again. It's a line. How about this picture? It's a line again. Very good. How about the pictures? Plane. Excellent. Here is your last picture. It's a tip of a pushpin. It's a point. Did you get all the correct answers? Very good. I congratulate you for a job well done. Just in case you have questions regarding our discussion for this episode, feel free to send me a message in my Facebook account, Shina. Habag Tabisaura or in my contact number 0906-353-1992. To further enhance your skills in identifying undefined terms, list 6 objects that you can find inside your living room and determine what type of undefined terms are those objects. Write your answers on a clean sheet of paper and pass it together with your modules on the retrieval day. Remember that anything you see around you are composed of lines and dots. Then if you connect these objects, they can form planes. Bear in mind that planes have height and width but no thickness at all. I hope you have learned a lot today and join me still in our next learning episode. I am your teacher Shina, reminding you to keep yourself healthy always. Remember to observe health protocols to keep you away from this COVID-19. Thank you and good day ahead.